My name is Emerjan Bondok from Pampanga.
Hi, Emerjan.
Hi.
So, how are you? How's the feeling so far since you are already official candidate
Uh,
for international Philippines?
Thank you. I'm a lesser nervous because I've already experienced in pageant in Mr. Pampanga. So I think Mr. Pampanga already boosted my confidence.
Anong mga activities excited kang gawin?
As of the moment, hindi pa kasi masyadong nasabi sa amin lahat ng mga activities and marami na rin akong na-build na friends dito sa Mr. International Philippines.
Are you excited?
Of course, I'm excited.
What is your preparation for this competition?
My preparation aside from reading a lot, I'm doing gym so that I'm ready with my physique.
Abangan ng mga supporters mo for this upcoming carnation.
Ang pinakaabangan ng mga supporters ko, ulitin ko, syempre, nagre-ready ako sa katawan ko dahil medyo more workout dahil hindi ako masyadong fit ngayon. So I have 2 months para mag-ready, so abangan nyo ako guys.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.